Welcome to Josh Moses Kitchen. Today I am preparing some dishes with carrot. It's homegrown. Let's pick some carrots today. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Josh Moses Kitchen. In my kitchen, I am preparing today a fresh carrot salad with a lot of fresh ingredients. And make sure you try this recipe. You won't be disappointed. That's Josh Moses Kitchen's guarantee. Let's toast the peanuts on a very low heat. You can remove the skin of the peanuts and toast it like this. So the fragrance will come out. The oil from the peanuts, it makes the dish so flavorful. Let's peel the carrots. Let's cut the carrot to thin strips, not very thin but almost thin. You can grate the carrot also if you want. I like to cut like this because for the presentation. For the salad, let's fine chop the fresh red chilies. Should be very fine. If you think it's spicy, you can remove the seeds and you can chop. Add the red chilies, cilantro, just rough chop. Add the cilantro. Let's fine chop the mint. Add the mint. Let's finely slice the ginger. Fine slice. Add the ginger, lemon zest, add enough salt, add little bit of oregano, add little bit of black sesame seeds, black peppercorn freshly cracked. Let's grate the garlic. Freshly squeezed lemon juice. add some extra virgin olive oil. Add the toasted peanuts. Let's mix the salad. The salad we just made, it's ready now. It's all fresh ingredients, freshly squeezed lime juice, fresh carrots, toasted peanuts, then fresh red chilies, cilantro, mint leaf, olive oil, and it's all makes it very fresh. So let's taste the salad. Ooh. Nice crispy, a lot of fresh flavors from the mint, cilantro and olive oil enhance it, and have a touch of peanut and a chili at the end. It makes it so fresh salad. So how you eat? Enjoy and eat. That's all about Joe's Moses Kitchen. Don't miss out to subscribe my channel for freshly prepared recipes.